Two old friends who meet again, wearing older faces, talk about the places they have been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How were they to know someday they'd meet again? Never need more to reminiscence. Maybe this time it'll be loving till fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's not in his life, and it feels alright. Maybe this time love won't end. Yeah. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things will never change, and every time as a good flame is burning even brighter than it did before. He got another chance, and love they take, and maybe this time it'll be loving till fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels alright. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it'll be loving till fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, she's walking his life, and it feels alright. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end.
Yun.
Woohoo! Maybe this time. Isinayaw ko na pero hindi nyo nakikita.